Hello, this video is designed to describe some of the things we've been working on in our class so far, especially something we spent a lot of time on day 3. We've been discussing something called 21st century learning development rubrics. Basically, these are a series of soft skills that this group called ITL Research thinks will be increasingly important in the 21st century. Soft skills related to a number of different things that will be part of a modern workplace. So there are 6 skills, and I'm going to list each one of them, summarize it, and then describe why it's important. First is collaboration. Collaboration essentially involves working together with other people, but more specifically involves working together where you have shared responsibilities and you rely on somebody else's work. It's important because it represents a modern workplace. Up next we have knowledge construction. Knowledge construction is similar to learning, but it's a bit beyond it in that knowledge construction involves generating new ideas and understandings that are new to you. So things that you didn't understand before, it can't just be new knowledge, it has to be an idea that is new to you. It's also important in knowledge construction that you are able to apply the knowledge in a practical context. Next we have real-world problem solving and innovation. So that seems pretty intuitive. Real world means how can you apply it to a real context. Innovation I'm a little confused about. I mean, I understand what the word innovation means, but within this document it seems like they're using it as a proxy or a synonym for having an authentic audience. I think an authentic audience is valuable, and I think that's what they mean when they say innovation. So obviously real world's valuable because it makes people care, and in a real world workplace you're going to be working on real problems. Use of ICT, information and communications technology, for learning. This is important because this is what we do now, and we're going to do it more. And more importantly, there are things that don't exist yet that you have to learn how to use. So it's not just important that you know how to use a word processor or how to use the internet, but that you're able to learn new skills as they arise. And that's why that's important. So that's why I'm actually making this video. I've never embedded a video on a blog or made one. I'm just kind of trying to figure out how this works. We're already running at 2.5 minutes, so clearly it's easy to be long-winded. The next is self-regulation. So self-regulation involves self-monitoring. So it's about, is it a long-term task? Not just here's a worksheet, can you finish it? But it involves a process that happens over time. Can you plan it yourself? Can you guide yourself? Most importantly, can you revise once you find out what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong? And last is skilled communication. We work with different people. We work across international boundaries. You have to be able to communicate in a lot of different jobs that you're working with, whether it's inside your own workplace or if you're working professionally and you have to work with people in other countries or other provinces or other cities. And so skilled communication involves doing that effectively, but also doing that beyond just text. Making videos, images, viral campaigns, animated GIFs, memes, using social media, different variants of social media, as there's many, not just Facebook and Twitter, and using all those effectively to communicate your message. Those are 6. I hope I summarized them effectively and communicated why they're important as well. That's all for now. I will talk to you later.